Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW, guys, 1 Series BMW, and you need to disconnect transmission line or transmission hose, stay with us. We'll cover how to do that today, guys. Also, you have that special device that you use to compress the hose and release it, but if you're missing that special plastic device, we'll explain what else you need to use, guys. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information with you guys. Now, if you need to buy any tools, parts, anything for your BMW 1 Series, we'll share, guys, the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing that free information to you. Let me show you guys what we have here. This is a 6-cylinder engine, but doesn't matter if you have a 4, 6 cylinder gasoline or diesel engine, the procedure will be the same, guys. And now those are the transmission lines that will explain how to actually disconnect. Okay, they look like that. You have them at multiple locations, but before we start, guys, we have that channel, that's our main channel. It's called Auto Repair, guys, and we have helped more than 69 million people. So check it out, subscribe. We have information that can save you guys, okay, thousands of dollars on repairs. Okay, we have quite helpful information, even timing chains, timing belts, quite a few things, guys, that are discussed there. So now this is, guys, a plastic piece that you will be using to actually release the hose. If you're missing that one, stay until the end and we'll show you what else to use. Get WD-40 spray. You want to clean everything really good around it, guys. Spray really good everywhere. Okay, make sure that it's not contaminated with dust and dirt. Break it free, and you want to make sure that it's clean to the point that it can spin and it can go all the way in. Then grab your hose and move it up and down a little bit. You can see how it can go up and down. At first it will be stuck, but then eventually it will move more. After that, guys, push the hose all the way down. While you're holding it down, compress that plastic piece in. Okay, and I'll show you now. We start pulling out, guys. It will not be easy. Okay, it takes a little bit of effort to do that, especially if it hasn't been removed for a while. On the inside you have 4 metal plates. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 plates that actually get stuck on that lip, and when you use that tool, you compress these plates, okay, like that, and you can release it. Now if you're missing that, you can use that tool, guys, okay, any of these tools, and with the help of that tool, you find the one that fits the pipe. You're going to go on top, you're going to push it underneath those 4 plates, push the hose on top of it, and then release it, guys, and it will come out pretty easy as well. We had to use that one a couple of times because BMWs that we worked on, people actually broke those. They didn't know how to remove them the correct way, broke them, and as a result, guys, okay, it was really hard the second time. So if you need help, get that tool and it will do it for you. Now when you're ready to install it, apply a little bit of oil, clean everything really good, and just go ahead and push it in. You will hear a noticeable click, and make sure that it doesn't come loose. So that's how you guys practically do it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.